Hello friends, so today I'm going to discuss with regards to United Nations Climate Change Conference. So what is UNCC or UNCCC? So United Nations Climate Change Conference or early conference held in framework of UN Framework Convention on Climate Change or UNFCCC. Okay, they serve as a formal meeting of UNFCCC parties or Conference of Parties or COP to assess progress in dealing with climate change. Okay, and beginning in mid 90s. Okay, mid 19 to negotiate the Kyoto Protocol to establish legally binding obligation. So you have to remember under Kyoto Protocol obligations are legally binding for developed countries. Okay, you have to remember for developed countries, not for developing or least developed countries, to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Okay, you know climate change or climate is affecting very badly with pollution, also pollutions like carbon dioxide and many harmful gases, industrial waste. Okay, so it is for what Kyoto Protocol is legally binding. Okay, obligation for is only for developed countries to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Okay, from 2005 conference have also served as the conference of parties, serving as the meeting of parties to Kyoto Protocol. Okay, also parties to convention that not parties to protocol can participate in protocol related meeting and observe. Okay, so one thing you have to remember it that if convention that not parties, if someone is not a member of, they can also participate in meeting and observe it. Okay, from 2011 meeting have also been used to negotiate the Paris Agreement as a part of Durban platform activities until its conclusion in 2015, which created a general path towards climate action. Okay, we all know that every year a lot of negative impact of climate change is seen at every corner of earth, from cyclones to drought, flood, and many global disease, pandemics like COVID-19 and many more diseases like in India, malaria, dengue, and these are very dangerous vaccine, and these are very dangerous disease which are emerged due to climate change. Okay, we exploited earth in a very negative way. So the important point you have to remember, the first UN climate change conference was held in 1995 in Berlin. Okay, when this camp or this UNFCCC camp, the beginning in the mid 90s. Okay, remember these things and move further. COP3 took place in December 1997 in Kyoto, Japan. So you remember why this COP or Conference of Parties 3 is important, which held in December 1997 in Kyoto, Japan. So here after intensive negotiations, it adopted Kyoto Protocol. Okay, which we have discussed in our previous slide, which are outlined the greenhouse gas emission reduction obligation for Annex 1 countries. So which countries comes in Annex 1? Mainly developed countries. Okay, developed countries, you have to remember it. Okay, next one, countries along with what come to known as a Kyoto mechanism, such emission trading, clean development, mechanism and joint implementation. Okay, most industrialized countries and some Central European economies. Okay, in transition, all different Annex B countries agree to legally binding reduction in greenhouse gas emissions of an average of 6 to 8%. So important, you have to remember greenhouse gas emissions 6 to 8% below 1990 level between year 2008 to 2012, defined as the first emission budget period. Okay. United States would be required to reduce its total emission an average of 7% below 90s level. Okay. Bush administration explicitly rejected the protocol in 2001. Do you remember it?